Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also I want to welcome the students of class 10th. The topic that is chemical reaction and chemical equation, that is CBSE syllabus. And now today I will explain that part 10, that is corrosion and rancidity. Now the two new words for you, and what is meant by corrosion and what is meant by rancidity. Actually you can say indirectly these are the effect of oxidation in our everyday life. Then first is what is meant by corrosion. Suppose if you say, if you observe also one nail, iron nail, if you put outer side for 1 month or 2 months, after that you can see that coating is brown color, yellowish brown color coating. What is that one? Someone can say yes, it is rusting. But what is rusting? That means here we come to conclusion here, corrosion is one type of rusting also. Rusting is one example of the corrosion. Examples, iron coated with reddish brown. You can find also after 10 years, 5 years or 15 years some iron piece. Those are very important in our house building and also in different industry. They also having some reddish brown color, and also sometimes reddish brown powder comes out of this the iron, and that is totally is called rusting of iron. This is also one type of the effect of oxidation in our everyday life. Now after living so many years, sometime after 1 year, sometime after, it depends on the nature of the iron. And that what is the rusting? The formula Fe2O3 XH2O. Fe2O3 XH2O. X is a number, and here that is also you can find also different metals also. Though the word is rusting is only applicable to iron, but different type of corrosion also takes place over the different type of metals. Black coating on the surface of silver. Sometimes you see some silver ornaments after keeping for some time, and after keeping for 2 months, 1 month, you can see on the surface of the silver ornament, here you find black coating. Then what is that black coating? That is also oxidized. And green layer of copper. Green layer of copper. Copper looks like that is brown color, and if the green layer, if the over brown color, if green layer is produced, then what happen? What is that? That is also oxidized, but in the presence of any moisture, acid or any gas, just like carbon dioxide, just like other gases also. And now here what happens? Green layer of copper. Green layer of copper, that means it may be copper nitrate, it may be other also. So that means here the black coating over silver and green layer on the copper, then one can say yes, corrosion takes place. Corrosion means corrode, destroy the metallic power, metallic character. That means destroyed the metallic character, that is called corrosion. When metal is attacked by the help of moisture, acid and around it means in atmosphere, you know, moisture is there, acid is there, carbon dioxide is there, and other gases are there. If that is attacked by the particular metal, then it is destroyed, the metallic power is destroyed, then it is called corrode. That means it is called corrode or destroy the metal, and that is process is called corrosion. The process where the metallic character destroyed by the help of moisture, acid and other gases which are present in our atmosphere. Now this corrosion is a very slow process. It is a slow process, that means you can't find in 1 day or 2 days. But after so many days or after so many years, you can find, yes, it is already corrode. That means corrosion takes place. So in sorry, iron, oxygen, water, oxygen from atmosphere, water from that is moisture from atmosphere, when three will combine, it gives, this is the formula Fe2O3 XH2O, that is rust, and that is called hydrated ferric oxide. Then rusting also in one type of corrosion. I told corrosion means rusting. When it is attached to iron, the word is rusting. I mean other metals, the general process that is called corrosion. Then what is the use or what is the harmful effect of the corrosion? That means you can see building generally made up of totally iron, and what metal generally present in building? Iron. That is also destroyed. Railway track, that is also iron. Automobiles, iron railing, ships, bridge, and here generally the totally iron part is there, iron is destroyed. That means here rusting takes place. So car body also especially of iron, those are consist of iron, generally one day come they will destroy. Corrosion takes place, that is rusting takes place in iron. If other metals, the word general word is that one, corrosion. Now rusting can be protected, but if it is proceed, rusting takes place, then heavy loss to that part. Then that is why rusting can be protected by different methods. You can learn from the metal non-metal chapter, but anyhow I want to say oiling, painting, galvanizing. You know, painting always you do in our house, railing and different type of parts which can painted, so that means rusting control or corrosion control. That is means here. Galvanizing also you will learn in a metal non-metal chapter. It is a process by which rusting can be protected. So I hope the corrosion clear. Corrosion is the common word where it is applied to the all the metals. When the particular to apply to iron, the word that is called rusting. So rusting is also one type of corrosion. Rust means Fe2O3 XS2O. What is that? Yellowish brownish powder or reddish brownish powder, that is the hydrated ferric oxide. And this rusting also is very slow process, and here it is very harmful. That means it will damage all the important things, costly things which are made up of iron. That is why one should protect the rusting by using different methods. And next chapter, metal non-metal, you will learn about the different type of process by which rusting can be protected. So now we will see what is meant by rancidity. After corrosion, now see what is rancidity. You know what is corrosion? Corrosion means oxidation of metal takes place by the atmospheric air, carbon dioxide, different type of acids, that is corrosion of the metal. Now rancidity, what is meant by rancidity? Now you also feel in your everyday life some deep fry oil food. If you see after few days, you can find that having bad smell and also bad taste. Then what is that? The bad taste, that is called rancid smell. What is the chemistry word? That is rancid smell. And here the taste also is not so good. That means you can say the fat and oil food, what is deep fried and also fat is there, and that having oxidized. These products, the food products, that is oxidized. That is why you are getting a bad smell, that is called rancid smell. So fat, oil food having fat, some suppose also oil, that means they are, if you live for some days, for some long time, then it changes to bad taste and bad smell. That is also very slow process. What is that? Rancidity. That is a process by which the oily food, oily deep fried food, or you can say fat food, that changes to a bad smell food and having bad taste. That process is very slow, and that is called rancidity, and it is also known as slow oxidation process. it is very slow oxidation process, and that is having bad effect to health. If you eat that rancid material, rancid food, having bad smell and bad taste, that means your health will be affected. So how can you protect from rancidity? If rancidity occurs in our food materials, in our deep fry oil materials, food materials, then how to protect from this rancidity? Yes, rancidity can be protected. That means packed in airtight container. So at kitchen also you can find the that should be the food material, oil food material should be placed in airtight container, otherwise speedily it will changes to bad smell and bad taste. And refrigeration of food, if you keep that food in freeze, then also it can be checked, it can be protected. And prevent oxidation by adding antioxidant. That means if that oxidation takes place, suppose you can't put in your fridge, suppose you can't put in our airtight container, that some foods which you can't put, then what to do? Here also some antioxidant can be used. The antioxidant should be edible. We can eat this one. So antioxidant means to control, to check, to protect oxidation of that food material. Then it is called antioxidant to that food. Antioxidants are very different types, and now one antioxidant cannot be used for other food material. And so potato chips, you know, potato chips we can use in our daily life. Kurkure also use in our daily life. That can be filled, that is filled with nitrogen, because nitrogen is a good antioxidant to the deep fry chips and kurkure and this type of materials. So now you can see rancidity means the changes to food material to having a bad smell and bad taste. That bad smell is called rancid smell, and the process is very slow. It is also oxidation process, and that is slow oxidation process, and that is also very much bad effect to health. So since it is having bad effect to health, so our duty how to protect that rancidity, otherwise it is very dangerous to our health. So if you put in an airtight container, refrigeration, or you can add antioxidant, the antioxidant is specific for that one particular food material. So you can see potato chips and kurkure you are using, and that is also protected by using nitrogen. Similarly, you can lastly conclude the corrosion and rancidity both are the effect of oxidation in our daily life. Rancidity also effect of oxidation, corrosion also, that is one type of effect of oxidation. But here corrosion related to metal. Related to metal, if metal is destroyed by the help of air, moisture, carbon dioxide, different type of acid, then it is called corrosion. And especially to iron, that is called rusting. And rancidity, that is related to food materials, especially which one? Oil and fat food materials, deep oil fry food, and also you can see fat foods, different type of fat foods that is having affected by the rancidity and having bad smell and having bad taste. The process of oxidizing the food by the help of oxidation, and here having bad smell, that is called rancidity. So that protection of rancidity should be required if you take food, otherwise it has danger to health and it has bad effect to health. I hope what is meant by corrosion and rancidity is clear to you, and try to understand, and also that how to protect oxidation of metal, that is corrosion of metal, in our metal non-metal chapter of 10th class. And hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also hope you will like and share my channel, and thanks you.